In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Gmail. This simple yet powerful feature can significantly enhance your emails by drawing attention to specific parts of your message. Whether you're composing an important work email or just want to emphasize points to friends, knowing how to highlight text can make your communication more effective. To get started, open your web browser and go to your Gmail account. Make sure you're logged in. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, locate the Compose button, usually found on the left-hand side of the page, and click on it to open a new email draft. Now that you're in the draft screen, it's time to type out the content of your email. Just go ahead and input the message you're sending, keeping in mind the portions you want to highlight. Next, you'll need to highlight your chosen text. Click and drag your cursor over the text you wish to emphasize, making sure the desired section is highlighted. Once that text is selected, observe the toolbar menu that's directly above your email draft. This toolbar is where the magic happens. It contains all the formatting tools you'll need. You'll notice an A icon in this toolbar with a color bar underneath it, representing text color. Click on this icon. It will reveal a color palette. This is where you can choose the color for highlighting your text. Select your preferred highlight color from this palette. As soon as you pick a color, you'll see your selected text highlighted in that color, making it stand out from the rest of your email content. If at any point you need to change the highlight color, simply select the text again, click the A icon, and choose a different color from the palette. This will immediately update the highlight color according to your choice. It's a handy little trick if you're dealing with multiple highlights or simply change your mind. Once you're satisfied with the text highlighting and the rest of your email, fill out the subject line and add the email addresses of your recipients. Review your message to ensure it's exactly as you want it. When you're ready to send your highlighted masterpiece, locate the Send button at the bottom left corner of the Compose window and click it. Your email, now more visually impactful with highlighted text, is on its way to making a strong impression. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've mastered how to highlight text in Gmail. Remember, this feature can be particularly useful for emphasizing critical parts in both professional and personal emails. Keep practicing, and soon it will become a natural part of your email composition routine. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.